Opening up the cosmic playbook, we find an interesting fact. The planets in our solar system are not just spinning aimlessly around the sun, they're actually engaged in a celestial game of tag, lining up in specific ways. These special alignments, or as we like to call them, are very much like secret handshakes between planets. Now, there are a few different types of these cosmic handshakes. We have the friendly ones, trines and sextiles. A is when planets are 120 degrees apart. Picture two friends giving each other a high five. That's a trine for you, full of good vibes, helping planets work together smoothly. It's like when your favorite soccer team is playing perfectly in sync, passing the ball effortlessly. On the other hand, A is when planets are 60 degrees apart. It's as if the planets are winking at each other. Sextiles are all about sparking creativity and cooperation. Just imagine you and your best friend teaming up to create an incredible science project. That's the kind of energy a sextile brings. But not all aspects are smooth sailing. Enter the cosmic challenges, squares and oppositions. A is when planets are 90 degrees apart, forming a square shape in the cosmos. Squares bring challenges and obstacles, much like a tricky maze you need to solve. But remember, solving these puzzles only makes you stronger. Then we have, which are like a cosmic tug-of-war. Planets are 180 degrees apart, pulling in opposite directions. Oppositions highlight areas where you might have disagreements or conflicts. But here's the thing, when you find balance amidst this tug-of-war, it's like executing a perfect cartwheel. So why do these aspects matter? Well, think of it this way. You're building a Lego spaceship. Some pieces fit together easily, like trines and sextiles. Others need a little twist and turn, like squares and oppositions. It's the same with aspects. They help us understand how planets work together, almost like a secret code to unlocking our superpowers. Even superheroes have challenges, right? But with a bit of practice and teamwork, they always manage to save the day. That's the magic of aspects. They guide us through the challenges and towards our strengths. So next time you gaze up at the stars, remember to think about their cosmic handshakes and friendly winks. Astrology isn't just about planets. It's a marvelous dance that shapes our lives.